YouTube family, it's Denise, aka Love for My Curls here, back with another video. Just wanted to firstly say thank you so much to all my subscribers, my viewers, wherever you're based today watching my video. Welcome. My video is, and my channel actually, is dedicated to my curly hair journey, the products that I like to use. I might be incorporating some other topics along the way, but it's mainly hair related, so welcome. And if you do have any questions, please include them in the comment section below in case I forget to say. So today I wanted to talk about Lush. So I'm not sure if many people know the company Lush, but when I think about Lush, I think about bath bombs. I think about things for the skincare. Things that really smell nice and things that I would probably use for my body. But on this occasion, I wanted to talk about hair-related products. So I watched a video not too long ago on YouTube about Lush products for hair. So I thought to myself, okay, I might have to look into this one. So they do have a section on hair products, and I wanted to purchase 3. I think there were some others, like a protein treatment, and something else as well. I think like an oil type of product. But I wanted to try 3 products from their range. So I'll be talking about the 3 today in terms of the ingredients and what I think about them and how they personally work for my hair. So stay tuned. So the first product that I've got here is the Super Milk, what's it called? The Conditioning Hair Primer Super Milk. So it looks like this. And yeah, so when it comes to this product, I think that they followed the lock method here, because it actually says LOC here, liquid. So obviously this is the liquid part of the process. And I just want to firstly talk about the smell. I mean, it's very strong. It is very strong. It smells like a lemon sherbet. Literally like vanilla, lemon, like a lemon cake. Oh, it just smells so good. And it comes in this little size. I think it comes in other sizes as well. But this is the 100-gram version, and this was a smaller version actually. And I think it's actually prepped when you order it, I believe, or it actually does say who it's made by and the date, which was actually quite good actually, and the use by date. So actually, yeah, so that's actually quite interesting. So maybe it's not made when you order it. Maybe they've just listed obviously who it's made by and when. So I think that's actually a good touch. And in terms of the ingredients, we've got almond milk right at the top on the second listing, coconut milk. There is fresh lemon juice. Oh, that's why I can smell the lemon. Virgin oil. Yeah, some really good ingredients. And in terms of the way it looks, it's just kind of really milky. I don't know if you can see that because of my light, but it's quite milky. As I said, it smells really good. It is quite strong, I'm not gonna lie. It is quite strong. So when I've used this on my hair, I definitely feel as though I can smell it beyond my wash day. So yeah, so just bear that in mind. It's very creamy, it's quite light. I'd actually use it on my hair now. I think it actually does say to use it on wet hair as a leave-in conditioner, but I would use it as a refresher as well personally. But yeah, so it really smells good. It goes on really well on my hair. And in terms of, obviously it's a leave-in conditioner, so I don't know about you, if you're more of a cream type of leave-in conditioner person, or whether you like sprays. I don't mind. Whichever really works for my hair in terms of keeping it moisturized is what I'm looking for. So this one actually keeps my hair very moisturized. It's very nice. But because I've got so many products, I do alternate. So I don't just stick to this one. But it's really, really nice, and I think it's a good starter size as well. As I said, I think they've got a larger size as well. And this retailed for about, was about between 10 and 15 pounds on the Lush website. Again, I'll include it below, but no, really, really, really nice, really nice. I like this one, and it works personally. Okay, in terms of the next product I've got here, I've actually got a conditioner. So I've actually got the Glory conditioner. So it looks like this. Yeah, and it is 95 grams, and it's green in color as well. Oh, let me take off the lid. Oh, so it's green in color. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, let me just turn off my light so you can see that. Yes, it's kind of green in color. Yeah. So yeah, and in terms of the consistency, it feels quite smooth, not greasy, not too heavy. So I think it would be really, really nice when it comes to detangling. In terms of the smell, oh, it does smell quite earthy, I would say, quite strong and earthy. But no, it's really, really, really good. And again, it comes in this small size, so it's kind of like a, I don't know if you could say like a travel size or a starter size, so at least see whether you like it before you purchase the bigger size. And in terms of the ingredients, it's got coconut cream at the top. It's got okra gel, which is really interesting. Never seen okra in a hair product before, so that's quite good. It's got olive oil in there, castor oil. It's got lavender oil. Yeah, it does smell quite floral actually as well, earthy and floral. But it's quite strong as well. And in terms of using it, it just says coat hair in this rich conditioner after shampooing and comb through to detangle. Rinse out, ready for styling. So yeah, so I found this as well really, really good. I didn't find it the most moisturizing of conditioners, in my personal opinion. It was good, and I definitely will use it again. The detangling was definitely there. I would definitely vouch for that. It was really easy to detangle my hair. It felt nice and rinsing out of my hair as well. But in terms of the moisturizing aspects, I feel as though it was lacking a tad bit with the moisture. But again, obviously, this is just my personal experience. But I'm going to give this a go again. I've used it once, and I haven't used it again, only because I've got so many other different products. I've just been trying different ones, but I definitely will use this one again. So I do like it. And in terms of the price, again, it was between 10 and 15 pounds for this size. So really, really, really nice. Yes, I would recommend this. And this is more of a moisturizing conditioner. They've got a protein one as well, but this is more if you want the moisture aspect when it comes to conditioning your hair. So another one I would definitely recommend. And in terms of the last product that I tried, it's the Curl Power hair cream, which looks like this. Yeah, so it looks like this. And again, this is 95 grams. And as part of the LOC method, this is the cream. So obviously we've got the leave-in oil and cream, so this forms the last part of the process. And in terms of the smell, oh, this just smells like like again, this smells like a lemony, fruity cake, just like lemon sherbet. Oh, it's really, really good, and it's strong as well again. So I think definitely this will linger on your hair. So if you use the leave-in conditioner, the Super Milk plus this, oh, you're going to have a powerhouse of a lemon sherbet type of hair going on in terms of the smell. But you are going to smell like lemon sherbets if that's the kind of smell that you like. And in terms of the consistency, this is quite thick. Not overly thick, but quite thick and creamy. And I found this very, very moisturizing. This was definitely a repeat application of this one in terms of I used it 1 week, I used it the next week. So I felt that this was really, really, really nice. In terms of the ingredients, we've got linseed gel in there. We've got argan oil. Oh, sorry, I have a bit of a cough there. Cocoa butter, extra virgin coconut oil, your jojoba oil. It's got some protein. It's got hydrolyzed wheat protein, but near the bottom. Yeah, it's got some really, really good ingredients. Bergamot oil. Yeah, oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of this. This is just like, oh, it just awakens your senses, I would definitely say. And again, just like with the other products, I think even the conditioner has it. Yeah, it has a little picture, a cartoon picture of the person who's made the product. And the date that they made it and the use by date. So again, a really, really nice touch there. So again, between 10 and 15 pounds I paid for this. So definitely this is something I probably would purchase again. I mean, I haven't gotten through it completely, but it's definitely something that I would definitely use again. But bear in mind that obviously the smell is quite strong. So in terms of what I would rate the Lush products, yeah, I mean, I would definitely rate them maybe like an 8 out of 10, quite high, only because it was very moisturizing. I do love a lovely, lovely, lovely smelling product. I'm all about the smells. If it smells good, then I want to use it. The ingredients are quite good in terms of the quality of the ingredients. The different types of ingredients that they use as well is quite nice. I love the fact that you can get in different sizes, so you don't have to go for the big one from the start. And it's quite nice that they've added the touch of who's made it, you know, on what date and when you need to use it by. So I thought that that was a nice touch as well. So yeah, so that's me really when it comes to Lush products. So I guess a question for all of you out there is, have you tried the Lush hair products? Have you tried the range at all? And if so, which products have you used, and which ones have you enjoyed? And what's your verdict basically on the Lush hair products? So do let me know in the comment section below. But anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you. So thank you so much for watching my video today. And please subscribe for more videos. Please leave any comments or any suggestions for future videos down below. I'd really, really appreciate it. So yeah, anyway, I'm signing out. Denise, love for my curls. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye.